How to use Nintendo Switch Amiibo feature. To use the Nintendo Switch's Amiibo feature, first things first, you have to activate the Amiibo reading option inside the compatible game. So make sure that your game supports Amiibo. If it supports, you should be able to locate the Amiibo logo on the back of the physical game case, or check the game's digital store page features list. Now to enable the Amiibo in the game settings, open the in-game options or setting menu, then look for the Amiibo option. Now you simply have to turn it on or enable it. Once you enable this, you simply have to now locate the scanning sensor. The sensor is built in directly into the right analog stick. You can use this and wait for the game to display an on-screen prompt asking you to touch your Amiibo to the sensor. Then touch the bottom base of the Amiibo feature flat against the designated sensor. Now you simply have to hold the figure perfectly still for 1 to 2 seconds until the console registers the scan and rewards appear on the screen. Now you simply have to manage the Amiibo data from your system settings. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.